Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlock, and here choose face and fingerprint unlock. Then tap on fingerprint, tap on agree, and right here we have to either enter our screen lock to confirm everything, or if you do not have one, your device will ask you to add it in order to have, I would say, a backup method of unlocking your device, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock it with your pattern pin or password. So make sure to add it, and then you will be transferred to another step. Here we've got the screen protector reminder. Because our scanner is located under the screen, it might be affected with the screen protector if you're using one, so be aware about that. Also, it is a better option to add the fingerprint after applying the screen protector. So let's tap on add now, and here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Also change the position of your finger, so the scanner will record all of the parts. Okay, just tap on done. If you wish, you can use the face unlock. I don't want to do it. So this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. And here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So screen unlock, app lock, hide apps, or data protection. Here we've got also the quick launch, so you can touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Here we've got the fingerprint animation, so you can change it if you like customization, then highly recommend to check it. And here we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So now all we have to do is to lock our device and check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.